Good morning, everyone. My name is Khalid Mosalam. I am a professor here at UC Berkeley, and also I am the director of the Pacific Earthquake Engineering Research Center. So I would like to welcome you all for coming to this two-day workshop. So for those who do not know what PEER is, we are a lot bigger than just UC Berkeley. So we have 11 core institutions and 9 educational affiliates. And we predominantly focus on leading the domain of resilient design for extreme events, where a workshop like this one that predominantly deal with the hazard part is very important to what we do in the center. So yesterday, if you are not in our mailing list, please make sure to be in our mailing list. It's for free. And if you are not, just go to this website, peer.berkeley.edu, and make sure you are in our mailing list. If you are in our mailing list, you should have received this yesterday, which is the 30th anniversary of Northridge earthquake. It's also the 29th anniversary of Kobe earthquake. So this date is chosen strategically to be 24 hours after these two major event anniversaries. So just to make an announcement, if you have read this released article yesterday, we just opening a bracket that's gonna close 1 year from now to collect data, to collect achievements that has happened since these two big events that changed a lot of the landscape of what we do in earthquake engineering. So stay tuned to what PEER will do during this year, from the 30th anniversary of Northridge to the 30th anniversary of Kobe. So we will be holding several workshops. This is the first of them, and a few more to follow, plus other ways of contributing to this data collection. So for this workshop, I would like to thank many people, the organizing committee, the PEER staff who were not part of the organizing committee. Without them, we wouldn't have been able to have this event. I also would like to thank all the speakers. We have 29 of them. All the participants. We have definitely the topic of this workshop is of interest, because 263 people will be participating between online or in person. We will also have 10 posters later today where you can have one-to-one discussion with some of the researchers who are working on related topics. So I'm not going to read everything in this with this tiny font, but this is the program that you must have seen for these today and tomorrow. So today we'll mainly focus on simulation modeling, validation, and use cases. There will be continuation of that tomorrow. There will be more use cases, some updates, tools, and also databases that we will be discussing. I want to highlight the last session where your feedback will be really important. So this will be open discussion where we are contemplating having this meeting as an annual event. So we would like your feedback on that, or after seeing these 2 days, hopefully we will get your opinion of what we are doing right, or what else we could be doing on this important topic of simulated ground motion. So this is my last slide, then I turn it on to David. Thanks to DOE for this program and that this work is all about. But just very quickly, this program had very important objectives, trying to answer these 3 questions of how do ground motion in scenario earthquakes vary across a region? How does this variation impact risk to infrastructure? And how do complex incident ground motion waveforms interact with important facilities, whether it's energy or water or just residential urban area? Lawrence Berkeley National Lab, Lawrence Livermore National Lab have been performing intense simulations on the DOE supercomputers. And recently, we are working together with PEER to make this simulated motion available to the earth science community, the earthquake engineering community, and to the disaster response organizations in general. This simulated motion, or this simulated ground motion database, will be really a paradigm shift on how to facilitate deeper understanding of the hazard, the performance, and the overall resiliency of California or other parts of the world by helping officials to effectively and accurately identify infrastructure systems and structures that pose the largest risk for proper allocation of resources. So there will be several reasons why we resort to simulated ground motion that will be explained in the different sessions to follow. With that, I will stop and turn it on to David, who will talk a lot more about the program and what we are going to see in the coming 2 days. Thank you very much.